Hey guys, it's Bakeem here today, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this sleek, high puff on my natural hair. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this content. Alright, I will see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so we will be starting out on a week-old twist out today. Now, I will be doing a co-wash on my hair before I start styling it. You don't have to do that. You can use a spray bottle, or you can even do, a full wash day if you would like. Just keep in mind, once you put that got to be glue gel in your hair, child, there ain't no going back. Fun fact, I've been parting my hair for years and I literally still can't get straight parts, so have fun watching me struggle. And basically what I'm doing is I'm just moisturizing my hair before I do the puff. Of course, it's a really crucial step because, this is somewhat of a protective style because I leave this up for anywhere from 2 to 4 days. And yes, 4 days is pushing it, but I'm lazy, so there's that. But yeah, you really want to make sure that your hair is moistured. You want to make sure that your hair is nice and moisturized before you do the puff, because not only will it make your curls pop, so you'll have a better result, but yeah, it's better for the health of your hair. If you're wondering what steps I take to moisturize my hair, I actually have a video up on my channel. It's about 2 years old, but I'd be happy to redo it if you guys want to see what my moisture routine looks like. So some products that you'll need is, of course, something to smooth your hair and also a cut hair band. I get my cut hair bands from Walmart. They come in like a pack. Of course, I'll use my Denman brush to start brushing my hair upwards. I don't currently have any product in my hair. This is just to get it going in the right direction. Next, I'll be taking my got to be glued spiking gel. I don't know what I was about to say there. I'll be taking about a dime size amount of that, and I'll just be spreading it evenly around my head. I usually take about 3 dime size amounts just to make sure that all of the edges are completely coated, because what you don't want is any flyaways or missed spots when you're done. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Denman brush. Now this part is super crucial because this is going to really help your hair look as sleek as possible, and you really want to keep going until your hair is as smooth and as flat as you want it to be. Alright, so next I'll be taking my cut band and I'll be using my thumb and my index finger to kind of push it up to the tightness that I want it to be. It just depends on how I'm feeling, how tight I'll do it, but this I'm kind of do like a midway. And after that, what I'll do is I'll tie it in a knot. It won't be a super tight knot, and you want to make sure that if you have any hair hanging down that you don't get it caught in that knot. After that, what I'll do is I'll take my bobby pins, and those pieces of the band that are hanging down, I just bobby pin them to the side of the puff so that they're not showing. And then after that, what you want to do is you want to kind of shape your puff. I like it kind of as big as possible. I usually use my fingers and then use my pick to kind of get the desired height that I want. Alright, and then last but not least, what I'm going to do is use the same red scarf as I used in my first puff video to kind of lay the hair down. I usually leave this on from anywhere from 15 to about 20 minutes. I feel like that really gets the hair to lay down as much as possible. And then after that 15 to 20 minutes, you'll remove the scarf, and this should be the result. It should be super, super smooth, super, super laid down, and you know, stiff wear your hair. That's what. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, tell me what you would like to see next on my channel, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week.